What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to explain how we can turn these viewers, the 1.9 million viewers, into money or sales, right? That's what we want. If you are building a personal brand, you simply like money. If you're not posting on social media, I don't think you like money, as you can make so much money. You can easily make 10, 20 or even 30k extra per month utilizing your social media. So start posting, start building that brand, as it can just make you so much money, right? And it's also pretty cool if you have a lot of followers, but that's not the point of this video, because in this video we're going to turn these viewers into sales. So let's just not waste any more time and dive straight into this video, right? So the top of the funnel is where the views come in. And we have two ways of getting new views. We can do it the organic route, or we can do it with paid ads. And the benefit of paid ads is we can actually target a specific group of people. You can target them based on location, age, stuff that they're interested in, and this causes you to get very high quality followers. And the higher quality the followers are, the easier it will be to turn them into our end goal, which is money. So if you're doing ads, I would do two ads a week at 20 to 50 bucks a day for 3 days each. If you have more budget or you are a bigger company, I would do five creatives a week and have them run for the whole week. You want to make sure you do new creatives and provide new value in your ads, so you stay active and people follow you for new strategies and the value that you provide. Another thing you want to make sure you do within the ads is you want to make sure you encourage them to follow you. So either have them DM you or have them follow you, as that's how it will work in this funnel, right? You want to follow, you want new followers, and you want to get as many DMs as possible. The second route that you can take is the organic video route. And the benefit of this, it's cheaper. You don't have to pay money to target people. The hard part is how are you going to target the right people, right? And there's a few different ways how we can do this. We can use hashtags, we can use a strong hook, provide value that's only valuable for a specific group of people, and of course, just like the ad, have a strong CTA. But let's say you make an organic video and you provide value about how to raise your dogs, right? Or what's the best food for your dog. Then people who want to learn more about raising their dog and feeding their dog are going to follow you. The people that care about working out and getting shredded are not going to follow you, as they are not interested in that topic. So make sure you have a strong hook, you provide value, and a strong CTA. This is a video I did for one of my clients. His Instagram is at RUUB, Ruben, and we got 1.9 million views in 48 hours, which is a crazy result. But if you know the right strategies and you work with the right people, results like these are guaranteed. So when it comes to organic videos, you want to post at least one video a day, ideally two, to even build up the traction on the account even more. But try to post one or two posts every single day and provide an insane amount of value, guys. I can't express this enough, but the more value you provide, the more people will going to trust you, and the easier it will be to turn them into, you guessed it, money. So that's basically how we can get views two different ways. And what happens when we get the views? So we get 1.9 million views, or you do an ad, and we got 20k followers from this single video added to Ruben's account. Then they come to the profile. And what's so important about the profile? The profile is basically your resume. You can tell people what you do, you can show the results that you get, you can tell them how you do it, and provide even more free value with a link in your bio. So first things first, we have the growing your following with 10k followers in 30 days. Super straightforward, showing you exactly what you're going to get if you work with me, and also how long it's going to take you to get to the goal of 10k followers. Then the second line is, how am I going to do this for you? Well, by implementing the right content strategies and ads. Let's say you have a fitness offer, you can say something like getting you a six pack in 30 days, using the right using the right diet and the right fitness program. And then the third line that I have is basically a call to action again. And a call to action is so important, guys, because people on social media are mindlessly scrolling. And if you don't tell them what to do, they're not going to do anything. So here you can see free value on my YouTube channel with the link in my bio. And this link actually funnels them through my YouTube channel or to something else, which I will get to in a second. But another important thing about your profile and your profile optimization is the highlights that you have. And the most important highlight that you can have on your account is the client results. It's basically an opportunity for you to flex what you can do for other people. And the more client results you have, the better, because it basically shows that you're good at what you do, right? Let's say you have a fitness offer and the client results is just full of before and after pictures of before they started working with you and after they started working with you, and all the after pictures are super lean people looking super healthy, and all the before pictures are just unhealthy people not working on their body. You get the point. Then the second highlight that you want to do is the free value highlight. Basically, an opportunity for you to provide even more value to your followers about what you do, right? I usually post my YouTube videos in here so they can easily access it by clicking the link. Or you can just record videos of yourself explaining how you can do X, Y, and Z, or how people can get to their goal. So if you want to add a My Story highlight, that works as well. It's basically depending on the offer, but people want to know who you are. And by adding a My Story highlight, you can build even more trust with your followers, which will turn them into money more easily. So those are the three highlights I would highly recommend you have on your profile. You can always add more, but try to keep it clean and very easy for your followers to read. Now let's see what's going on here. So if we follow this big red line, where do we come? We come to ConvertKit. This is basically an email list software. You can send out emails to a big group of people using this software, and I have ConvertKit linked in my bio as well. So whenever people click this link, they can fill out their email and they will automatically be added to my email list. Every week I send out 2 emails and I provide even more value. As you've heard in this video, and I keep repeating myself, but it's so true, the more value you provide, the easier you will get sales. And the email list is basically for leads that are a little bit more cold, right? They don't really know who you are, what you do, but they want to learn more. And by sending emails that are super valuable, you can make these leads warmer and maybe even turn them into hot leads. So when they get on the call, they're so easy to close. But this is not the only way we can turn cold leads into hot leads, since we have a different side of this story as well, right? Besides the email list in the link in my bio, we also have the YouTube linked out. And why are YouTube videos so important? Well, you can provide even more value and you have more time to provide that value, right? Because if we look at the short form videos here, you usually want to make these anywhere between 30 to 45 seconds, but the YouTube videos can be 7, 10, 12, even 20 minutes as long as you keep providing them with value and the video doesn't get boring. Um, if people watch your YouTube videos, they will turn into so hot leads, and it will be so easy to close them and get the sale, since you basically provided all the value for free, and the only thing they can think of is, wow, all this value for free. Imagine what will happen with me if I pay this guy, right? Imagine if I pay the fitness coach who already explained everything for free. What will happen to me and my body if I pay him for consulting, coaching, or for his offer? So I will try to post 1 to 2 videos a week as long as you provide value, right? You don't want to make the videos boring or repetitive or about nonsense, because people don't care and they won't be coming back to either your channel or your Instagram profile if the videos get boring. The more value, the better. Make it super in depth about what you do. This is also exactly why I'm making this video. If you want to watch this video, by the way, it's on my channel. You need a personal brand in 2024. It can just make you so much money. But highly recommend you watch this video if you haven't started yet. But let's go back to the profile, because the bread and butter is going to be in your stories, which most of them will be highlighted in here as well. But let's dive into what the stories need to look like, right? So here are 3 examples of stories that I posted. We have results, quality over quantity. We have results and call to action, 800K views on the client's first video, and DM me, right? Super straightforward. I got 800K views for this client. If you want to get the same results, DM me. People will actually start DMing you from this because you show them what you can do for other people. They want the same result. They know you can get them the result, so they DM you, right? If you don't show results, if you don't use scarcity in order to get people to DM you, then you're missing out on so much money, right? And then here we have a results breakdown. 30 days, we did 50 million views and we got 500K followers added to their profile. So these results are all insane, and you want to post stories 5 times a day. It doesn't always have to be results, it doesn't always have to be something cool, but I would try to implement a result almost every single day. Maybe something of your life, something that you're working on, something that you're eating or working out. Doesn't matter. Just make sure you stay active on the stories and you slide the results in every now and then. Because all these three things, the stories, the YouTube videos, the convert kit, they all lead to one thing eventually. But before we can get to the certain thing, we have one more step to go, because when we post stories, people are going to start DMing you, or they're going to reply to the story, hey, I want to get results like this. Can you help me? And that's where the setter comes in. So if you want your DMs to look like this and get as much DMs as possible every single day, maybe over 130 DMs a day is what we're getting at the moment, you want to make sure you have a setter right. Because as the business owner, you can spend time on setting. You want to focus on growing the company and focus on more strategies in order to make more money. It's super easy to find a setter. You just go to onlinejobs.ph, find yourself a commission-based setter, maybe pay him for every booked call, and have him handle all the messages through a setter script. Make sure you make the setter script yourself, as you know what you want to do and you know how to qualify the leads for the call. Basically, the setter is qualifying every single person that DMs you for the calls, because, of course, anyone can follow you and anyone can DM you, but we don't want to get broke people on the call, as we can make money off of them. So have the setter in the DMs and have him qualify the followers and the leads for the call. And then now we get to the final step. So basically, we have the stories that funnel to the DMs, we have YouTube, and we have the email list, and they all funnel through the call, right? You can do the sales call yourself, but you can have the setter send the Calendly link. You can have the Calendly link in your YouTube video description, just like mine below, or you can send the Calendly link in your email list every now and then. I wouldn't push it too hard on the email list. It's just too salesy. So don't overuse your Calendly in the email list. But when they get onto the call and the call is booked, you have a closer, or you can do it yourself depending on where you are in your business. You can do a commission based closer. But if you're just starting out, I would do the sales calls myself, as you can figure out more pain points of your clients that you can solve and eventually increase the price of your offer. And one very important thing about how we can turn all these viewers into sales is you want to have them pay on the call, right? Because a lot of the times, and I've been here before as well, people book the call, they say, oh yeah, I'm going to pay you tomorrow, and then they never pay, they ghost you, and you don't make money. But if they're on the call and you convince them that they need what you offer, then if they pay on the call, there is no going back. Unless you are completely under delivering and your offer sucks, you have to give them a refund. But if your offer doesn't suck, you don't have to give them a refund, and have them pay on the call, and you make the money. So that's basically it for this offer. Let me know what you want to learn next about social media and how you can turn your viewers into sales. But I use this exact strategy to get more clients for my offer, and also show people that what I do actually works, providing value by doing stories, short form videos, long form videos, and sending out emails. It all comes together as a big mix on making money with your social media. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I will explain a lot more in my future videos. And if you want to learn something or you have a question, do not hesitate to ask me in the comments, as I'm here to help and I want to give everything I know away for free. So I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.